Yeah. Y'all ready?
Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is this week's nails. If you're interested, stay tuned. But first, we're going to go over the supplies that I use to achieve this look. All of these supplies can be easily found at a local beauty supply store, drugstore, or even on Amazon. So let's get started with my pinky. My nails already have base coat on there. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to apply 2 coats of my nail polish and allow this to thoroughly dry before I move on to the next step. And if you get any nail polish on your skin, just use a brush or a toothpick or cotton dipped in either acetone or nail polish remover to clean up the edges. The next thing I'm going to be doing is placing my gem. So I took some gel resin and I put it on my nail, and then I put the gem where I want it to be in the center, and then allow that to thoroughly dry before going on and placing top coat on your nail. And I'm using now my quick dry top coat, and this nail is done. Now to my pointer finger. I'm going to be applying my 2 coats of nail polish and allow that to dry before moving on to the next step. Next, I'm placing my nail decal on my finger, and if you're interested on how I made it, please comment below. And then I'm going to top it off with my quick drying top coat, and this finger is done. Next is my middle and my thumb, and I'm applying my 2 coats of white polish, and I'm going to let that dry completely before moving on to the next step. Now to create the leopard spots. Using a dotting tool and gold polish, I am placing random circular shapes all over my nail. Once that's completely dried, I'm going to then use the same dotting tool and outline each spot with black polish, and then I'm going to fill in some of the blank white spaces with lines and dots and C shapes, just to make it look more like an actual leopard skin. This is where you get to be as creative as you want to be. Once that is completely dry, then we're going to top that off with top coat, and then that nail is now onto my ring finger. It's also going to be leopard spots on this one, but it's going to be in a French manicure look. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.